What's up guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you two ways how to find free ebooks on your Play Store so that you can download them on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So open up your Play Store, and the first thing that you want to do guys is click books on the lower right hand side. Now here you can simply type in free, and if you type in free and hit search, you'll find a ton of different free books. As you can see here, I have a lot of these books here, and there's 0 crowns here, and they haven't had any price to them, and I can just simply find a book and I can download that book that I wish to read, right? So you can easily go ahead find free books just like this. Now the next way how you can find free book guys is by simply go ahead, and once you're under the book section, go ahead and use these different categories at the top. So you have for you have top selling, you have new releases, genre, and at the top towards the most right you have top free. Once you click on that, you can change the genre by going here. So let's say I would like to look for something in the business and invest in. I can tap on that and I can find a lot of these books. You can go ahead and you can choose for family, you can choose age, you can choose rating, language, flow text, and read aloud. So this is actually good if you're looking for books that will give you read aloud. You can select that and you can easily find those books. And if you don't know what read aloud means, it simply means that these are books that are, let's say, called audiobooks. So they'll read it back to you with an audio. So that's very cool. So if you're a person like me who don't always have the time to sit and read all those books, you can simply go ahead and use those read aloud option books and you can download them. So as you can see, I choose that and I basically choose read aloud. And if you open up one of these books, you will see that this book will give you this option. So as you can see here, it shows you that this is an ebook and you have all those good stuff here guys. So very easy stuff. Hope you found value within this video guys, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below and hit that subscribe button if you find any value. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.